Hi, my name is Megan Fuentes. I am the Administrative Assistant for Writers Atelier, and I am here to give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. I am recording this close to midnight on November 15th, which means we are halfway through Nano. And by the time this video goes up, we'll be just a little bit past that. Megan, why are you recording so late at night? Because I have learned through trial and error that even though I have a beautiful set of 4 to 6 hours between when I get up and when I go to work, I don't write well in the mornings. I struggle with writing in the mornings. And that's not gonna make for a good, happy, productive writing session. And that totally goes against my plan. I had a great plan where I was going to get up early at like 7 or 8 a.m. and I was going to write until I had to clock in for work. But that's not what ended up happening because that's not what my body wants to do. My body has always been a night owl, and that hasn't changed, and I shouldn't try to force myself to change for NaNoWriMo. I should go with what my body tells me. My body is also telling me to get exercise and eat more vegetables, but we're not here to discuss that today. We're here to discuss writing. Instead of writing in the dead of night when you get home from work, get up a little earlier and write if you're a morning writer. If you aren't a morning writer, do what I'm doing and write at night. If you still are unsure, record your writing sessions and figure out when you're producing the most words hour by hour. If you suspect your current action plan does not actually flow with your way of life or the way your body works, change it. It's not too late to change it. Happy NaNoWriMo from all of us at Writers Atelier. I think I'm just gonna have to live with the fact that this video is going to be like a lot of cuts. That's fine. I can edit. I'm a big girl. I know how computers work. This video was not sponsored by any hair care products, I'll tell you that right now. Look, this is the reality of the Nano situation, okay? This is how we all are, right? This isn't just me. I hear things outside. I don't want, please things, stop. I need to record. Please, I gotta record. Tell them to stop so I can record things. I must really like you guys.